Hey guys, so very exciting. We have an unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G variant. Now I think we're the first channel to unbox the 5G version. And we'll also be comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus 5G variant. So a quick look at the box. We have the S Pen. Pretty simple, but it looks pretty nice. Okay, so stuck to the top we have the pamphlet. So for the packet we have the SIM card ejector. And also your manuals. Now right on top we have the Samsung. And we'll take a look in a few. We also got a power adapter. Now this is the fast charge, but it's not the super fast charger. And we also got USB Type-C, headphones, and also USB to Type-C adapter. So overall pretty good stuff, but one thing they omitted, they did not include a headphone adapter. Alright guys, so let's check out the phone. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen this color. Definitely pretty awesome looking. It does very easily attract fingerprints though. But yeah guys, I mean this looks pretty awesome. Alright guys, so I'm going to power this on, put in my info, and I'll be back in a few. Okay, so my brief thoughts and then a comparison versus the S10 5G. So the design is pretty nice looking. Now, one thing I will say is that the in-display fingerprint scanner is not that good. It's not terrible, but it's definitely not that accurate. So pretty similar to the S10 series. Now, my least favorite thing is no headphone jack. And also there's not a dedicated power button. So you have the Bixby button and the volume rocker. And at the bottom you have Type-C. Now the UI is pretty quick, but we do have some Verizon bloatware on it. Okay, so now for the comparison versus the S10 5G. So definitely a much cooler effect here for the Note. Now for the specs. So the screen on the Note is a little bit larger. On the front, we have two selfie cameras versus one. And on the back, both phones have 4 cameras. Both phones have the same options for storage, but the Note does support microSD cards, while the S10 does not. Both phones have pretty large batteries, but the S10 is a bit larger. For the internals, the Note has more RAM. The S10 has a headphone jack while the Note does not, but both phones have Type-C, and also both are waterproof. The Note, of course, also has the S Pen. So in terms of specs, definitely not a big difference. And the Note is actually more expensive as well. So that said, I will be doing a full comparison between them. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more. And be sure to check out this video in the top right